Hi everyone, John Cottrell here of MBODY Yoga. I want to take you through a pranayama practice or a breathing exercise which I think you'll really enjoy. It's called Nadi Shodhana. Nadi Shodhana. And it's a breathing practice that means alternate nostril breathing. I sometimes just like to call it balanced breathing because the way that we actually go through the practice, you'll see there's a balancing effect. Now, what it really translates to, or what it means for you to do Nadi Shodhana, it's a clearing of the channels for good circulation. So clearing the channels for good circulation. And so this is wonderful for just about anything. If you need just to relax your mind, calm your mind, even relax your body, this is a wonderful breathing exercise to do. If you're needing to get to sleep and your mind is just racing, here's a wonderful breathing exercise to help calm your mind again and to soften the body so you can fall asleep easily. Even if you're just under stress and just need some moments of stillness and quiet, and even some preparation for perhaps just meditation, again, a wonderful practice to do. And it's very simple. And what's interesting about some pranayama exercises is that you want to stay really in tuned and focused on the exercise because you're basically just breathing. And breathing, we just do automatically. So it's very easy not to think about what you're doing while you're breathing. And so in doing pranayama, you're actually doing some things that you have to pay attention to. In this case, you're going to be working with your hand with your breathing. So here's how it goes. So again, it's alternate nostril breathing. Let me demonstrate this so you can see the setup, and then we'll do it together. So we're going to use the right hand, and the left hand can just rest in your lap. You're going to use your thumb, your right thumb, and just place the thumb actually plugging very gently the right nostril. We'll do that in a moment. In the two next fingers, your index finger and your ring finger are just going to rest very lightly on the temple here, just between the eyebrows or your third eye. And then your ring finger, the fourth finger, is going to be plugging very gently the left nostril. And then your pinky is just kind of here for the ride. Alrighty, so let me demonstrate how this works. So I'm going to place these two fingers here on the temple. I'm going to plug the right nostril, and I'm going to inhale through the left nostril. Then I'm going to plug left nostril, plugging both nostrils, and just pause for just a moment. Then release the right nostril and breathe out. Then I'll inhale through the opened right nostril, plug and hold, release left nostril, exhale. And so that's just a quick demonstration of what's happening. And so that can be considered one round, okay? Because you're going to breathe in through the right, exhale through the left, inhale through the left, and out through the right. That's one round. Let me do it again without talking. One round. Okay, let's do that together. We'll do one round together. So just take your index finger and your middle finger and just rest it on your forehead between your eyebrows. Your right thumb will close the right nostril. Your ring finger will close the left nostril. So first go ahead and close right nostril. Inhale through the left. Plug both. Pause for a quick second. Release right, exhale. Inhale through the right nostril. Plug both, pause. Open the left, exhale. And that's one round. Let's see if we can do 3 rounds together. Here we go, starting now. Let's do one more round. Very good. Again, that's Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. Now you can do more than 3 rounds, and if you continue to do this, just notice how you feel. Maybe set a timer for maybe 30 seconds or a minute, or plan to do this maybe like 7 rounds. And then just take a moment and pause and just notice how you're feeling. You may notice a nice calming effect. You feel at ease, your breathing is deeper. And again, because of the alternate nostril breathing, there's a sense of balance that comes to you as well. You'll feel more centered and connected and balanced in a very wonderful way. So Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. I hope you enjoy that practice. Again, my name is John. Thank you so much for joining me.